So in addition to a relative or a friend or a licensed professional fiduciary, there's one more alternative. Jessica, why don't you talk a little bit about that?
That alternative is a corporate trustee, and most large banks have a trust department that can serve as a corporate trustee.
Right. So instead of just one individual, you would actually have, Wells Fargo as your corporate trustee. Just an example. I'm not advertising for Wells Fargo, anybody. Okay. So there definitely are pluses and minuses here, of course.
Many corporate trustees have minimums, so they won't take on a trust administration unless the trust assets hit a certain minimum for them.
Right. Another sort of related aspect is corporate trustees sometimes do not like to deal with certain types of assets. Some of them don't like real estate, and as soon as they become the trustee, they're going to want to sell all the real estate. So if that's, if you're looking at corporate trustees and you have certain types of assets and you really want to keep those in the family, you might interview them and just find out what are your policies about these assets.
Another possible minus is the fees. The corporate trustee will also charge their own fees for the service.
Yeah. I believe the corporate trustees generally will charge a percentage fee. So if the total value of the trust estate is, let's say $2 million, they'll charge a fee that's maybe around 1%, maybe 1.25% of that. And then if the trust is an ongoing trust that carries on for years and years, they will annually charge some sort of a fee, and it's usually a percentage. So, just need to be aware of that and be okay with that.
But on the plus side, these are more likely to be around forever. It's not guaranteed, but comparing to a licensed professional fiduciary, a corporate trustee is more likely to be around when the time comes.
Yeah, but it's not guaranteed. I actually had a case maybe 5 or 6 years ago where a corporate trustee was named and they disappeared. The trust document was 30, 40 years old, and that corporate trustee was gone. We actually had to go to court and get a different trustee appointed.
Thank you for joining us today for another episode of Absolute Trust Talk Live. If you enjoyed listening in, then don't forget to subscribe. You can find us on Apple Podcasts or wherever you may listen by searching Absolute Trust Talk. While you're there, we would also love for you to leave us a review. And then why not share your favorite episodes with family, friends, or colleagues too? You can find all of our shows and corresponding show notes by visiting absolutetrustcounsel.com. You'll also find a variety of other free resources, including our ebooks, videos, blogs, presentations, and more. If you need help with your estate planning or administration, we also offer a free discovery call to help get the process started. You can find more information on booking your session by visiting absolutetrustcounsel.com/scheduling. Don't forget to keep an eye out for our next live episode. If you join us for the broadcast, you can submit questions during the show. But if not, don't worry. You can always get in touch with us by sending a quick message to info@absolutetrustcounsel.com. Thanks again for listening. We'll see you soon.